Sarura Kids.
Trymore mzukuru. What a beautiful day for going on a nature walk. The sun is shining, the birds are tweeting, and there's a lovely summer breeze.
Yeah, Gogo, I can't wait. We're going to go as fast as we can up this hill.
No, mzukuru wangu. Let's go for a nice, slow, gentle stroll.
Gogo. But I wanted to go fast.
I know, Manuedangwe. But your Gogo can only go slowly. So let's take time to stroll gently and slowly up the hill. And while we walk, we can tell our friends a little bit about how to say fast and slow in Shona. Anditi?
Actually, Gogo, that's a great idea. What do you think, friends? Are you ready to learn how to say fast and slow in Shona with us? Before we start walking, can you say Chimbidza?
Well done. Chimbidza means to hurry or go fast. Now say Chinono.
Good job, you guys. Chinono means slow.
So, now that you know how to say Chimbidza and Chinono, let's go on our slow walk and discover our other things that are fast and slow.
Chimbidza Chinono, 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 Chimbidza Chinono.
Ona dindingwe iro. Dindingwe rinochimbidza here kana kuti rine chinono? Hongu rinochimbidza.
Ona kamba iyo. Kamba inochimbidza here kana kuti ine chinono? Hongu. Kamba ine chinono.
Ona vana ava vanochimbidza here kana kuti vane chinono? Hongu, vana ava vanochimbidza.
Ona munhu uyu anochimbidza here kana kuti ane Chinono. Hongu, munhu uyu ane chinono ari kufamba achinanaira.
Mifananidzo iri kumhanya inochimbidza.
Mifananidzo iri kunanaira ine chinono. So friends, what did we learn today? We learned that Chimbidza means to hurry or go fast. We also learned that Chinono means slow.
Yes, muzukuru wangu. We also saw things around us that are fast and small. Can you remember the first things that we saw? We saw a fast cheetah. We also saw people running really fast. We also saw a camera moving very quickly through a city.
We also learned that Chinono means slow. We also saw some slow things. Do you remember the slow things that we saw today? We saw a slow tortoise. We also saw a person walking slowly. We also saw a camera moving through a city slowly.
We loved discovering fast and slow with you today. Why don't you look around today? What fast or slow things can you find?
Thanks for watching, friends. I'll see you again next time when we will be learning about stop and start.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you can get notified of our latest videos. See you later.
See you later.